Welcome back. With the reported cases of theft in the capital city and the rest of the state on the rise, the State Police Department have advised important public institutions having large public interface like banks, bank ATMs, hotels, guest houses, etc. to install closed-circuit cameras to maintain surveillance of the people visiting these places. World over, the use of closed-circuit cameras has been a very effective tool in the hands of investigating agencies and have helped in identifying and nabbing criminals. The State Police informed Goa 365 that they would be issuing guidelines to all banks in the state asking them to install CCTVs, especially at their ATMs. Speaking to Goa 365, Director General of Police B.S. Brar said that gadgets like CCTV would help the state police to track criminals easily.
You see, because of modernization, the criminals have also are adopting modern ways and different ways to escape, and moreover there are interstate criminals, very difficult to keep track. These modern gadgets like CCTVs help us in tracking the criminals, the terrorists. So not only the banks, the other institutions, especially the guest houses, hotels, all of them have been asked to install CCTVs as far as possible. And of course we are sensitizing various these organizations. We are again and again meeting them, distributing literature also, and in the course of time in the future we will be coming out with a large number of advertisements through media and through the newspapers.
On asked about the effectiveness of the installation of CCTVs, the Assistant General Manager of Canara Bank, situated at Matthias Plaza, Panjim, Mr. Yogesh Bhatt, had this to say.
Very good it is. We can find out the culprit if at all he has committed some mistakes. We will that CCTV camera will record each and every transaction in the ATM. If there is any fraud, we can immediately catch, and it has done. In some banks they have caught the culprit also.
In Canara Bank,
nothing, so far nothing has happened, and in new ATMs we are installing it.
With about little more than a month to go before the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, the KP Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Mandal Mega Lottery was thrown open by the local MLA Chandrakant Kavlekar. Speaking to Goa 365, MLA Mr. Kavlekar appreciated the sincere work put in by the KP Ganesh Utsav Mandal.
सार्वजनिक श्री गणेशोत्सव मंडळ केपें हो ह्या वर्सा 21वें वर्स साजरी करतात आणि खरोखरच एमी जे सार्वजनिक गणेशोत्सव मंडळ केपें एमी 21वें वर्स साजरी करता आसतनाच जे गेले 20 वर्सां जे हांगा कार्यक्रम राबयलात आणि जे वर्सान वर्सांक केपेकारां खातीर एक नवीन कार्यक्रम हाडून प्रोग्राम हाडून तांचें मनोरंजन करपाचो प्रयत्न केला. आयज तांकां केपेचो आमदार नात्यान म्हाका एक खुशी भोगता आणि एक अभिमानान म्हणटा अशें मन भरून येता इतलेच खातीर की ज्या प्रामाणीकपणान गेली 20 वर्सां ह्या लॉटरीचो ड्रॉ ते करतात आख्खे गोंयभर फामाद आसा.
The president of this mandal, Mr. Pradeep Shirvoikar, said that this would be a landmark year, being the 21st year of the KP Ganesh Utsav Mandal, as the number 21 is associated with Lord Ganesh. To commemorate this event, special entertainment programs have also been planned. And that's all we have for you today. Before we end, here's a reminder of the headlines. Dr. Shivinder Singh Sidhu sworn in as Goa's 14th governor. Traditional fishermen violating Supreme Court order alleges Goa Fishing Boat Owners Association. Student cell of the Bharatiya Janata Party demand investigation in the KTC incident. And pay parking implementation delayed. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, goodbye and good night.